Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have stuffed bell peppers and we're using the microwave. You can find all ingredients below in the info box. Here you have the clean bell peppers. I just slice them, wash them and take it out the ribs and seeds. Here we have lentils, chorizo, zucchini, red onion, salt, garlic, and mozzarella cheese. Add a little bit of oil and we're gonna add the chorizo, salt, garlic, mix well. Now we're gonna add red onion, mix well everything. You're gonna add the zucchini. If you want to replace all of these vegetables, just do it. And finally, we're gonna add the lentils. And remember, you can replace lentils for any kind of beans, okay? Mix everything again over medium heat. Here I have the bell peppers and we're gonna cook on the microwave only for 4 minutes. And voila! The bell peppers almost cooked. If you see the skin is more soft, we're gonna fill the bell peppers with stuffing. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. If you want any Peruvian recipe, just let me know below in the comments. Remember, I'm Peruvian. So here I have the mozzarella cheese. And then cook all of them on the microwave for 12 to 14 minutes. And done! Here you have the stuffed bell peppers. And I want to introduce my dog. Her name is Candy. She's a coton de Tulear. Please follow her every Saturdays here on my channel, so stay tuned. And don't forget, watch the last video. See you next time. Bye bye.